Every man grab a girl pan a one, yeah. Every man.
Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a quick review of Vybz Kartel Won't Work. If you guys didn't know, he dropped the official video on his Vybz Kartel Radio and also Vybz Kartel Vivo. And the video features Shellybelly as the main character in the video, and the way he walking, you know, say mean business. One thing I like about Vybz Kartel and what he does with his music, even if you don't like him, you still have to give him props. He's a musical genius and he knows how to make good music. He is very multifaceted and multi-talented as far as I'm concerned. But let's talk about the video. The video is very, very good. I like how clean it is, and I like that the video correlates with the song. The girls are in the videos dancing, and Shellybelly is also in the video dancing, and Shellybelly has a distinct hairstyle which is out there and I like. But what get me about Vybz Kartel and the way he puts out his music is that when he know he have a hit song, he don't wait a year, example like Alkaline, to put out a music video for it. And I feel like a lot of dancehall artists will wait 6 months to a year to put out a video to a song that is a banger, and it doesn't make any sense, because when you wait that long, the song becomes stale and nobody wants to listen to it anymore, or wants to hear about it anymore, or want to even see the visuals that goes with it. One thing Vybz Kartel always have brought across in his music videos is that they correlate with what he's singing about, and as you can see, this music video is no different. The girls them in there do them thing. Big up to all of the dancers that are in here, especially the females. And I feel like the females in dancehall that actually do these dances, and some people may say they're inappropriate, some may say they don't like them, they're provocative and all of that, but these girls do not get enough props in my mind, because a lot of people try to mimic our dancing and mimic the way we do things, but at the end of the day, when it comes to dancehall dancing, no one or nobody can do it like how we do it. Don't care if people say it's inappropriate, if people say it's provocative or any of that. It is what it is. There's a time and place for everything, and if that's just not your thing, it's just not your thing. I feel like Vybz Kartel is finished out 2018 very, very strong, and I didn't expect anything else from him, because he has been going very strong and consistent all throughout 2018. He's one of my top threes for 2018. You guys will have to stay tuned to Soulflow TV's video to see that video. We did a video together talking about our top 3 dancehall artists for 2018 and who we are expecting to do good for 2019. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. What do you think about the video? What do you think about the girls dancing? What do you think about Shellybelly being the lead? I feel like this one was well deserved. Shellybelly have been putting the work for a long time, and he deserved the spotlight in this one, and he did an amazing job. Love the choreography, love the dancing, love the song even more. Me can't wait to actually go shell down one party and actually hear this song play. But that's neither here nor there. Stay tuned for that, because that's gonna be real soon, okay? Real soon, and y'all will see all the vlogs and all the footage of that. But anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.